Hey everybody, today we're supposed to be showing you how to do hang gliding, but I can't. I'm sorry for all the noise. I'm outside. There's somebody behind me that looks suspicious, and he looks mean. I just kind of wanted to record this, so if I get killed by them, there's a record for the police to know. He's about 5'9", 750 pounds. He has blue spiky hair, one tooth, but not like he's missing all of his teeth. All of his teeth look like they're connected, so it's just one tooth on the top, nothing on the bottom. He's holding 2 steak knives. He's got a bib around his neck, and this boy looks hungry. So I hope I don't die, but if I do, look for that man.